Morning everyone. So today we discuss most important topic in SAP MM. Not only SAP MM, different type of module that work in SAP. This is the basic configurations. We will be work on this module sections. So what is the main important topic and main important base in any type of module in SAP? So we know that in a company different type of activity, just like a marketing, just like a finance, just like a sales, productions, different type of domain work together to run the company. So in that case, we just physically know different type of domain also work together. But when you come in digitized forms, in ERP systems, that time you require a virtual patrons. And first of all, system don't know any type of physical activities. But the ERP systems also provide different type of parameters. So same SAP is a ERP software. So SAP also provide different type of parameters, functional parameters, unit parameters, and basic parameters. So we also using these parameters and configure it for in future in upcoming functional activity. So first of all, we need one requirement. We require some of the organization structures. What is organization structures and how it configure it? So first of all, we give an example that what is organization structures. Just like a simple practical example I will give you. If I assume this is box, this is go down, or this is home, which one? Is this home? Or is this go down? Which one is assumed in these sections? So in first view, you also tell me that this is a go down, this is a glow down or blank area. But when we draw some code, some area with cover or some field, this type of sections, and let's assume this is a drawing room, this is your kitchen, this is your sleeping room, or this is your different type of activities room. So in that case, this is the veranda, this is toilets. In that case we also assume that in this time you will also tell this is a house, this is the home. Okay, so what is this? In that case you also know that this is the home. Why you call this is the home? Because this entity also denote this is a home. In any type of home, criteria is that in any type of home criteria is one kitchen is over there, one bedroom is requirement, one veranda is requirement, one drawing room is requirement. So this is the basic requirement of any type of house or home. So in that case, if you assume this is a organizations, if you assume that this is a organizations, in that case this individual part is a organizational units. This is called organization units. This ingredients or this entity also denote this is a room. So in that case, when you go any type of company, any type of manufacturing company, or any type of production company, or any type of automobile section, any type of company, so in that case this is our organizations, So these organizations maintained by the different type of entities. Which type of entities? Some such as entity, this is called higher entity, this is called company. Requirement, one company code, marketing manager, accounts manager, production manager, all type of higher authority also maintain this type of organizations, maintain these organizations. So this also be handled each and every transactions, each and every business activity also in these sections. So in that case, each and every part also called organizations units. Okay, so that case we will discuss in SAP field what is organization units. If you go to the slides and in our go for next slides, what is organization structures? Organization structure consists of organization units or structure framework of company in which company activities like this. Each and every activity going on in your company, then this type of units also be responsible. Okay, so this is our organizational structures unit. This is our organization's unit, and this when all of the units are work together and each and every unit also has a one responsible, then each and every units also work together and also be a complete platform of organization structures. So in first of all, what is client? What is client? So first of all, what is client? So in that case, we also know that this is our organizations and this is the client, the main root of the company. This is our main root of the company. So in that case, you also know that the client, such like a marginal client topic, such like a consumer client. No, SAP client is totally different. SAP client is totally different. Actually, we already discussed this matter. The SAP and ERP software also provide different type of parameter. When you use this type of parameter and configure the SAP, that time your all functional activity will be work properly. So first of all, you know that client and company will be requirement. This is our basic requirement of each and every configurations. So first of all, what is client? What is client? The client is a commercial organization unit. Commercial organizations unit within SAP ERP systems with its own data masters, record, set of tables from the business perspective and client forms. A corporate group client are denoted by the maximum 3-digit code in SAP. So first of all, this is the definition. Normally this is the technical definition. So many of definitions also not properly understood what is going on. But we given simple examples. So what is client actually work in SAP? So you know that SAP is a single platform software. So in that case, this is a single platform. Okay. So in that case, each and every module. This one module, another module, and a module. This module name as this module also known as like SD module, sales and distribution modules. This module known as FICO module, this MM module, this HR module, human resource module, and this also CRM module. Okay, so this is a single platforms on SAP, and this also be a individual modules also work together. So in that case, in SD module, each and every business activities, each and every transactions, each and every functional activity also responsible in SD module. So in that case, we also define such a number, just like a 100, just like a 200, just like a 300, and 900. So this number also known as client number. This is also no number, client number. Regarding this client number, we denote, then SD module denote 100 clients, FICO denotes 200s. So this is this is just like a number. This is a number marking, just like your employee or employee ID. So this is like a user client number. Regarding this client number, when the SAP any type of authorities and any type of activities when they're going on, suppose you search in SAP 100 denotes SD module, 200 denotes FICO module, 300 denotes MM module. So like on different type of client number also denote different module. Okay, so this is known as client. 100 client, 100 is a client, 200 is a client, 300 is a client. So client, this is not a concept of the Marching client concept. This is a fully SAP root concept. The client also maintain all type of activities. Suppose like in SD, different type of activities, sales order, digital activities, vendor collection, digital activities, different type of documentation save in this module. So in that case, 100 also save this type of activities. Same thing FICO, it business activity, account payable, account receivable, vendor accounting, vendor clearing, all type of activity also save this number. This is called client number. Okay. So next is our what is company. What is company? Okay, first we first we did the definitions. A company is corporate group. Company is the highest and independent organizations unit that represent corporate group. Company denoted by the next six digits. Okay, so what is company and what is company code? What is company and what is company code? These are both similar, but little bit of different. Actually, the main important thing is company code. Okay, so what is company and what is company code? Suppose like this is a company. This is a company. What is name? The name is Tata Group. Tata Group. Okay, this is the company. And what is company code? Company code also will come from there. The company code also will there. This company code it's like this one is company code. This is a company code and this also company code. Okay, so this is Tata Steel, this is TCS, and this Tata Motors. So this is Tata Group and this also be Tata Steel, TCS and Tata Motors is the individual field. So in that case, Tata Steel, TCS and Tata Motors also a company code, but this is a company. So this type of terms also used in SAP because this is the parameter of the SAP. If you configure your system on SAP, then first of all your main task is configurations of organization structures. So in that case, if you not exactly meaning of the company and company code, first of all one things, just like this is you also employee of Tata, okay, but this is your employee ID TCS 5678. Okay, so just like your name is Deepak, but your employee ID 5, 6, 7, 8. So you know that if you work on TCS, so hundreds of millions of people also work on TCS. But this is a different, this is not a unique name. This is not a unique name. In that case, what is the unique name? What is the unique things? Yes, this employee ID is unique. This employee ID is unique. In total, whole world, in thousands of millions of worker on TCS employee, but you is a unique. So in that case, this employee ID is our company code, and this name you also be a company. Okay, so this is our company code and this is our company. Company is not a major part of the SAP systems. Company code is a very important part. Each and every activities, financial transactions, purchasing, customer supplies, all type of activities are responsible by the company code. This company code also responsible for the all type of activities, same like this. So company is a not factors, company code is a factors. Okay, so this is our company and company code. Okay, so we discuss and we configure how we configure this company and company code in our systems. Okay, so for right now we will go in our practical rooms. This is our SAP softwares. Okay, this is the SAP softwares, and this is our main menu. This is our main menu. And that case, this is a transaction code locations. In this section, so we will be writing down different type of transaction codes, and each and every menu also be a contain different type of test, different type of task activities. Okay, so right now our first code is SPRO. SPRO, this is our first transaction code. When we write it down and enter, then our main screen will be appear. This is called customizations execute project. In this section we will start our project or our configuration start. So first of all, go on the SAP, click on SAP reference IMG. And main menu will be appears. In that case, we click on enterprise structure. This is the enterprise structure. All type of activities or accounting activities, all the activities also responsible in this enterprise structure, and we also configure the company code and company in this part. So first click on enterprise structures, then click on definitions, and then click on financial accounting. Different type of activities also were there: sales divisions, logistic, material management, different activity. Click on financial accounting, click on define company, and right now you will be define. Let's look at in the financial accounting. First of all, this is the definition form. This is the definitions. Okay, and after one thing is assignment. One is assignment. This is the definition. Another is assignment. So in the previous section, so we will be in the upcoming section we will discuss on assignment, on define. What is define, definition, what is assignment? You just look definition parts, all type of menu, and the assignment part, same financial activity manuals over there, same. Okay, but what is the difference? Definition and assignment. Okay, so all the things. First of all, click on define company. So my question is that how to create company? How to create company? Define company. Click on. Okay, so you look at the page, all different type of company name also appear, different type of company name also enlisted previous. This is the basic, this is the predefined company name that in IDS SAP also denoted. So first of all we don't go for new entry. Don't go, why you select a new entry will be discussing later, but first of all right now we click on thousands. This is the company code and click on the thousands. We copy the pre-generated company code. Okay, so first click the thousands and go for the copy options. So click the copy options. We just copy the 1000 database in the new company code, the 1000 database in the new company code. Okay, so why we choose thousands will be discussed. So first of all click on the copy and thereafter we type it down new company code, just like our company name is DKKL, our company. This is the, in these sessions we will write it down total 5 digits, only on 5 digits, not your company full name, just like a short name, just like a coding. Okay, in that area, in this area we will write down DKKL India Private Limited. Okay, states AJKS states, box any of the box number should be 6 digits. SAP is too sensitive. If you any type of mistakes in these sections like a country, language or currency, then in whole structure will be corrupted, will be facing different type of obstacles. If you not facing, different type of issues will be arise in that case. So city is our Mumbai, country, your country, this is our menu charts. Country is India, language, what is language? Language is English, currency is our INR. Okay, some entry. Okay, that's one message showing a message in appear in front of you. Number of entries, copy 1. Okay, DTL already created. Okay, DTL already created, then we save it. Okay, then one window will be appear in front of you. Yes, this is the main question, why this type window will be appear in front. In this window also be option of the save. When you save any type of transactions, any type of activities, also save mode, that time this window will be appear. And this request, when you create any type of request, any type of posting, that time system automatically ask you according to your activity, this is the number according to your activity, and you will be save this number, save all your activity that I already completed. Just like I completed the company code and copy to thousands and new company code here, this activity also save in this number. Okay, in future when any SAP consultant also search regarding this number, that they will you will be show the different type of activities. Okay, so they will be show the what activities also be work in the sections, they will be show this section. So right now we will click on this. Okay, so one main questions will be arising in mind, why I copy thousands. Okay, so why we copy thousands? Why? We know that any type of software have a database, but in that case this like a 1000 this is the predefined company code, this is thousands, and these thousands different type of pre-generated data also be recorded in its database. Okay, first of all, we don't explain another module in these sections. Okay, when you go for the any type of company, then first of all, different type of activities, different type of financial activities, different type of material management, production planning, different activity also we task in particular domain. So in that case, in company creation also be performed by the finance purpose. So in that case, if you learn SAP MM or any other module, this is the basic platforms. At first of all, you create your company and company code. In that case, we also copy these thousands. So this different type of accounting activity also store in these sections account activity. So we don't configure any type of accounting sections in our MM module. So that case, when we generate another company code, this name is DKKL, just like a DKKL, this is our company. So in that case, all type of accounting data also copy from 1000 to DKKL. So do not required any type of accounting configuration in your new company. Cause we just only work on MM modules, only MM configurations. Don't go for accounting configuration. In that case,